Because I'm happy, clap along if you feel like apples are your thing. Because I'm happy, yes, I'm happy. And with proper management, it is not just being happy because we have apples. It's we are happy as J Kusenga Farm because we have apples that have been managed well. Welcome to J Kusenga Farm, and today's episode is about management. Apple management. You need to manage your apples well so that you get returns.
For good production, apple management is very key. And with these simple basics, you can really grow very healthy, nutrition fruits from apples. The basics are: one, watering. Make sure your apples have enough water that can sustain even the fruits the apples are forming. Number two, make sure your apples have enough nutrients. That is organic manure. That will make your soil have all the nutrients it needs for it to have produce good fruit and for it to be healthy. Number three, make sure your apple tree you do a daily scouting of your apple trees. They will tell you if they have a pest or a disease that can be affecting the tree. And with all those basic ways, your apple tree can produce very quality apples and health apples which you can consume every day of your life and with your family.
You have heard it from the horse's mouth. I'm not saying that he's a horse, but you have heard it from the horse's mouth. Woo! Apples and management. I hope you have learned something. Until next time.